Acer 5-in-1 USB 3.0 with 4 USB-A ports and a USB-C standard port. This is the product. It's got about 2 feet of cable with Velcro. Unwrap it. Show you a nice close-up look at the ports. You have your USB 3.0 in blue and the USB-C on the side. Over here by my index will be a blue light when plugging in. It is a firm press using the 4 ports. As we plug in the USB-A port to the USB-A slot, it recognizes. It recognizes with a blue LED light. With ample amount of supply of power, the USB-C, lightning cable, smartphone, communications and use of the laptop to transfer files. If you need additional ports, you have USB-A cables. It's a firm press in. As you can see, it is powered up and ready to use. You want to power a camera via a USB-A and dummy battery. You want to transfer files with the USB-C cable to USB-A to a camera. Acer's portable with a 5-in-1 USB port for all your needs to a computer. With the extended cable out of the way to do your work. Comes with an instruction guide, very simple and easy to set up. I hope you enjoy your Acer products. Check online for further details about the port you are looking for. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.